A blockchain is a distributed system that stores data across multiple network nodes. Although best known for its role in cryptocurrencies, it also enables secure and permanent record-keeping in various industries. Its immutability ensures that once information is recorded, it cannot be changed. This reduces reliance on intermediaries, as trust is only required when data is added. Since Bitcoin's introduction in 2009, blockchain adoption has grown rapidly, giving rise to DeFi NFTs and smart contracts, and enabling trading of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. How do blockchains work? Think of a blockchain like a database or spreadsheet where data is recorded and stored. The main distinction lies in its structure and accessibility. Blockchain uses script to perform operations such as saving and retrieving data. It is decentralized, meaning identical copies exist on multiple machines and must match. The Bitcoin blockchain gathers transaction data and stores in a file called a block, which can hold up to 4 megabytes. Those sizes vary across blockchains. Once the block is filled, its data is processed through a cryptographic hash function, producing a unique hexadecimal value known as the block header hash. This hash is then included in the next block's header, linking the blocks together into a continuous chain. Here is how blockchain transaction process works. Each blockchain follows its own transaction process. In Bitcoin's case, when you make a transfer using your wallet, a chain of actions is initiated. The transaction is placed in a memory pool where it remains until a miner picks it up. After being included in a block and the block is filled, it is finalized and mining starts. Each node on the network creates its own version of a block by selecting different transactions. They independently attempt to meet the required difficulty target by adjusting a value called a nonce, number used once. The nonce value is a field in the block header which is changeable. Its value incrementally increases during every mining attempt. If the resulting hash is not equal to or less than the target hash, then the value of 1 is added to the nonce. A new hash is generated in this process, and so on. The nonce rolls over about every 4.5 billion attempts. This action takes less than 1 second, and it uses another value that is called the extra nonce as an additional counter. This cycle continues until a miner generates a valid hash, staying ahead in the race and receiving the reward. Continuously generating hashes until the correct value is discovered is known as proof of work, demonstrating that the miner has completed the required effort. The massive amount of computation involved is why the Bitcoin network uses so much energy and processing power. When once a block is closed, the transaction is complete, but the block will not be confirmed until 5 other blocks are validated. The confirmation then takes about 1 hour to complete because it averages just under 10 minutes per block. The first block with your transaction, and 5 following blocks multiplied by 10 will equal 60 minutes, which is an hour. Take note that not all blockchains follow the same process. For example, Litecoin LTC, transactions are validated using the scrypt algorithm and are generally confirmed every 2.5 minutes. They offer faster and cheaper processing than Bitcoin. Also, the Ethereum ETH network is faster than Bitcoin and also more energy saving. It randomly chooses one validator from all users with Ether stake to validate blocks. Then it confirms it by the network. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for future crypto updates.